so many women ask me about their lips, and they say, I've got dry chapped lips, I want fuller looking lips. This is my go-to. This is Do Kiss and Tell Lip Scrub Brush. I use this on every single client that sits in my chair before I put their makeup on. What this is the world's first exfoliating lip and beauty brush. I call it a non-surgical lip plumper because it gets rid of that dry, flaky skin on your lips, but at the same time, the dual action scrub brush, which is made with all natural bristles, what it does is it stimulates blood flow and gives your lips this beautiful, healthy, rosy, plump looking lip. It's so great. And then you just use it, you wet the brush, just moisturize your lips afterwards, after you've done the exfoliation, and you're gonna love it.
I've always heard to do lip exfoliation, but I never have. I always was a little skeptical, but now I'm sold. And again, we were sharing all of those promo codes so you can take a lot of these home with you. And as always, Michelle, how can people stay in touch with you if they have a question about
MichellePhillips.com or on Instagram, Michelle Phillips Beauty. And if you want to see the codes again, you can watch the segment again online. Isn't this great?
Thank you.
Oh, you've got to use this brush.